Sarah wakes up to a sunny morning. She feels happy because today she will go to the park. The park is Sarah's favorite place. It is quiet and green. She gets dressed and eats her breakfast. She has toast and orange juice. Sarah likes orange juice. It is sweet and fresh. After breakfast, Sarah puts on her shoes. She takes her bag and leaves her house. She walks to the park. The park is not far. It is just 10 minutes away. While she walks, she sees birds flying. She hears them singing. The birds make Sarah smile. When Sarah arrives at the park, she sees her friend Ben. Ben is under a big tree. He is reading a book. Sarah waves and walks to him. "Hi, Ben," Sarah says. "Hi, Sarah," Ben replies. "It is a nice day for the park," he adds. "Yes, it is," says Sarah. She sits next to Ben. They talk and laugh. They talk about their week. They talk about their plans. Sarah feels relaxed. The sun shines, the breeze is gentle. After talking, Sarah wants to walk. She says, "Let's walk around the park." Ben agrees. They walk on the path. They see children playing. The children are on swings and slides. They have fun. Sarah and Ben smile at them. Next, they see a small pond. There are ducks in the pond. The ducks swim and quack. Sarah and Ben watch the ducks. They enjoy the peaceful scene. Finally, it is time to go home. Sarah and Ben feel happy. The day at the park was perfect. Sarah says goodbye to Ben. She walks home with a smile. She thinks about her day. It was a good day. She feels grateful for the sunny day and her friend. She looks forward to another visit to the park.